To buy an Amazon gift card with Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the Cash Card tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select the Get Rewards option. Browse through the available rewards and look for the Amazon gift card option, which is usually listed as a reward that can be purchased with a specific amount of cashback. Once you find the Amazon gift card option, tap on it to view the details of the reward, including the amount of cashback you will receive and the terms of the offer. If you want to proceed with the purchase, tap on the Get button to add the reward to your account. Next, follow the prompts to complete the purchase of the Amazon gift card. You may be required to verify your account or provide additional information to complete the transaction. After the purchase is complete, the Amazon gift card will be added to your Cash App account, and you can view the gift card details, including the gift card number and PIN. To redeem the Amazon gift card, go to the Amazon website or mobile app and sign into your account. Click on the Apply a Gift Card button and enter the gift card number and PIN from the Cash App. The gift card balance will be applied to your Amazon account, and you can use it to make purchases on the site. It is essential to note that Cash App may have certain limitations and restrictions on purchasing Amazon gift cards, such as daily purchase limits or requirements to verify your account. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of the offer before making a purchase. Additionally, ensure that you are using a legitimate and authorized Cash App account to avoid any potential issues or scams. By following these steps and guidelines, you can easily buy an Amazon gift card with Cash App and enjoy the convenience of using cashback rewards to make purchases on Amazon.